evening.
Let's get you looking nice.
Yes, I'm back.
This way. Come on.
They wanted to hang you. They wanted to, but Arthur didn't.
So, what do you think
What do you mean?
about those two families? The rich ones in the big houses.
I don't know.
It's a local problem.
Go have a look around. See what you can find out. Calmly, I mean.
Sure.
Dutch and I, we both think there's money to be made.
I hope so.
Being foolish.
I'll see what I can find out.
And my emotions got the better of me. Thank you. Dutch,
Hey, Arthur. Can I have a quick word?
you boys are my family now.
Yes, Miss O'Shea.
Call me Molly, would you? Arthur, how is Dutch? I mean, how does he seem to you?
I'm about the same as usual, I guess.
I really love him, you know. But if he... Like he always says, loyalty is everything, so...
Arthur! Excuse me, Miss O'Shea.
What you want?
I bring a gift. The great gift of information.
So you got some tip-off, so now I can risk my neck and make you some money while you lounge around.
You know, Arthur, bitterness, it works on the inside as well as on your sour face.
If you say so, but you could go find some other fool to run your errands.
Bill, come on over here. Will you be my other fool? You too, Charles.
What are you talking about?
Arthur's above a little stick-up I heard about.
No, I'm not.
You just said...
Yeah, I'll do it, as long as you ride with us.
I got a serious medical condition.
Yes, you are a compulsive liar.
No need to be like that. Charles, have I ever lied to you?
I hardly know you.
Exactly. Now, you boys should do this. It's easy, and I'll only take a small commission for my information. But it's now or never.
Then it's never.
Oh, God help me. Fine, I'll do it.
Well, what is it?
It's a supply wagon carrying payroll, but very briefly unguarded, apparently. As it passes through a crossroads near here where there's an old ruined church before it connects with the rest of the wagon train. Very easy pickings.
As long as we get paid or you get shot, I'm happy.
You are a sick man, Arthur Morgan. A very sick man indeed.
Come on then, you miserable bastards.
Hey! How you get wind of this, old man? We only been down here all of 5 minutes.
Well, while you boys been off fishing or playing lawman or whatever the hell you've been doing, I've been getting down to business.
Finding the nearest grog house.
Hey, you don't want in on this, Williamson, that's fine by me. Do us all a favor. Head home.
Just give it a rest, you two.
Just have a little faith for once, will you? I've been scoping jobs like this since you fellers were knee-high to a grasshopper.
Once a decade, maybe. So what is it you've scoped here exactly?
Well, I told you. There's a wagon with a lockbox passes through every week. Okay, hold up here.
We should cover our faces.
They'll be passing through the crossroads up ahead.
When?
Soon, Williamson. Christ's sakes. I should be due any time now.
Let's keep this quiet and clean. Nobody needs to die here.
There! You see, gentlemen? Just like clockwork.
Easy.
Stop the wagon! I said, stop the damn wagon! Whoa! Now, don't try anything stupid, and we won't do anything unkind.
You know, boys, I don't want to get shot, but this is a mistake. I work for Cornwall Kerosene and Tar, Mr. Leviticus Cornwall.
Oh, great.
So you know him?
Who doesn't?
I hear he's rich enough to share the wealth around and not miss it too much.
Oh, he'll miss it.
Okay, why don't you check out around the back?
Arthur, help me out here.
Let's see what's inside. Okay, we're looking good. Must be nearly 1,000 here.
Shit! Hey! Think I see something!
Oh, great.
Let's go! Arthur, let's go!
Yeah! Hold it right there! Drop your goddamn weapon right now!
Slow down, sons of bitches!
Right, fellas! Come on!
Keep on up!
Well, nice going, Uncle! Most guarded wagon in goddamn history! How was I to know? Wait, you sons of bitches! Come on! We need to lose them! Do not let them get away!
Easy. Whoa!
Look out of shot, bro!
Get rid of these sons of bitches!
Shoot those bastards!
Keep going! Where the hell are we going? Get out of here! What kind of dumb questions? Dig in, boys! Come on!
Get back here! Faster! Come on! You ain't getting away with this!
You can move fast when you have to! Quick! Get off the trail! Into the woods! Let's shake him and get back to camp!
No, we need to find a place to lie low. We can't risk leading Cornwall's men to camp.
All right!
Yeah.
Whoa! Let's hide in here. Quick!
Easy. Go on.
Get out of here.
Get out of here. Go on. I'll see you later. All right. Let's get out of sight. Stay until dark, and then we'll sneak out of here. Charles, you keep watch for now.
Sure.
Well, we, get some rest. All right. Let's try and get out of here. Hey, shit!
Absolutely.
Now shut up, old man.
Look, I was just trying to...
Shut up. There's a light over by the house.
Damn! All right, now let's just keep this calm. See what happens.
Is this your place? Kinda. And you didn't hear nothing? Why don't you just tell me, partner, what you heard? Go ahead. Tell me what you heard. I don't... Maybe I heard some noises out by the barn a while ago. Ain't me.
Better not be.
All right. Coop forth. Lo, go check out the barn. Sir.
Well, the place looks deserted enough.
Sure. You head inside, I'll go round the back.
Place looks empty to me. Now, the old guy up there is full of crap.
I don't think they're here. Don't see any horses.
Come on, let's head back. Boss! Place is empty!
Shit!
Give him hell, boys!
That's how you want to do it?
Ooh, we got more of the bastards!
Where are they all coming from?
Looks like Mr. Cornwall's got enough to secure them.
Nicely done, Bill. They teach you that move in the army too?
Can't you keep your back feet still for 10 goddamn seconds?
You got us into this!
Move, Bill!
How about we stop robbing Cornwall from...
I didn't... Was robbing Cornwall, all right?
This fella really don't like getting robbed!
Let's just hope we don't run out of bullets.
Hold them back! Do not let them close in on us!
There's a goddamn horde of them on the left here!
We ain't going out like this! No goddamn way!
Why? You got another surefire plan for us?
Shit! Fire! You won't make it out alive! Damn close!
Out of the way, Bill!
Ah! Everyone still breathing? You would be!
I'm wounded! I'll kill you! Help me now, you son of a bitch!
So this is what you call easy pickings, Uncle? Easy pickings for them, more like! I did my research, all right? Yes, well done with that! I'm sorry we ever doubted you! Easily! Police is catching! Come on, old man! Come on, Arthur! Let's head to the woods!
You want a blind box or a survey?
Woo! Into the tree! Come on!
Where are we going, Bill?
We'll try to lose him in the woods!
Let's split up a bit. Try to confuse him. Arthur, with me.
Williamson, you're on your own.
Oh, shut the hell up!
Quick! Behind these rocks.
They're coming this way.
Perfect.
We need to do this quiet. You take the left and I'll take the right, okay?
Your right or my right?
You see anything? Not yet. I'm gonna be the one to hit you in the...
That's gonna hurt worse than bad whiskey.
Guess we should go give him a hand.
Go to hell!
Finish him off. I'm gonna lay you down.
Come on! Make this one count!
We all still alive?
Yeah.
Just about. Yeah, I'll deal with you later.
We got some money, didn't we?
Sure, but now we got Cornwall on our backs.
It was an
again.
honest
Hey,
mistake.
leave it. Go on, get out of here. Every man split up. Go on, run quick.
Good luck, gents.
Stay quiet and move.